Hello, Agma Schwa and guests. Today I'm here to talk about my entry to the cursed Conlang Circus to Sniffles, the language of illness. But now you may be asking, what is Sniffles? Well, Sniffles is a language spoken by people with flu-like illnesses, or FLI for short. That being stuff like flu, of course, or COVID, or allergies, stuff like that. It is known demonymically as pneumono. It is completely a priori. It somehow spawns in the person's brain as soon as they contract an FLI, and it disappears as soon as they are cured. And we aren't really sure as to how that happens. It is unclear if it is a work of God or Satan, or both. And it is currently under study by some very brave linguists. So, on to the phonology of the language. It has common and special phonemes. It has 16 consonants, 10 of them being common and 6 of them being special, 4 vowels being 3 common and 1 special, and 3 tones, low, low rising, and high falling. And also the tone goes on the last syllable, always. Also it's CVM. Here we have the common consonants for the language. We have m, n, n, b, d, g, v, z, y, r. And we have the common vowels, those being I, and E. And now we go on to the special consonants. We have the bronchial series, which has 2 consonants, those being the bronchial plosive and the bronchial fricative. And then we have these special consonants, those being and and also we have the special vowel. It is known as the general sound of suffering, or GSOS for short, that being Then we go on to the romanization of the language. In this romanization, we remove the tildes for convenience sake. We write the velar-nasal with NG. And most of these special phonemes are written with trigraphs, while the tones are marked with diacritics. The low tone going unmarked in this case. Here's the writing system. We have the romanization, we have going on right now. And now onto the grammar. The language has 2 grammatical genders, sick and healthy. It has 5 cases: the nominative, accusative, locative, genitive, and instrumental. It has 3 tenses, past, present, and future. 4 moods, being those the indicative, subjunctive, imperative, and habitual. 8 pronouns, and 8 articles. It also uses the VOS sentence structure. Here we have the verb conjugation for the language. We have the verb root at the end of the verb, the tense marker going in the middle, and the mood marker going on first. For example, we have nomono, which means spoke, using the past tense marker and being in the indicative. And we have zimono, were to speak, using the subjunctive marker. And the case marking. We have, for some example phrases here, we have nonegi emi meaning I like them, which uses the accusative marker for them. Which means he lives in Arizona, using the locative meaning the person's clothes, using the genitive and we have meaning I move using legs, using the instrumental and now onto loanwords. There are two ways of pronouncing loanwords. Either you adapt them to the phonology and phonetatics, the tone always being rising in this case, or you always pronounce it like Toby Fox does in that video.
経験したことですから。僕の心もインディーゲームをプレイして輝いたことがあります。洞窟物語とか、夢日記とか、そしてもちろん、ズンさんの東宝プロジェクトとか。
So, for example, we have or we have Arizona, Agmashwa, both meaning Agmashwa lives in Arizona. So now we go on to the part we've all been waiting for, the B-movie translation. So for this part, in the middle there's gonna be some funny illustrations, while at the bottom there's gonna be the phrase in nemono, the phonetic transcription of the phrase, and the glossing for said phrase. So, well, let's go into it. God, fucking don't get off me. And this is it. And I hope you have fun with the rest of the other languages.